In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Semrush free trial. Whether you've decided that Semrush isn't quite the right fit for you, or you're simply done exploring its features, I'm here to make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. Sit back, relax, and let's walk through the steps together. First, you're going to want to open up your preferred browser. It can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other that you generally use and feel comfortable with. Once you've got that open, move on to the search bar and type in Semrush. Semrush provides a variety of digital marketing toolkits, but for our task today, searching for it this way is a reliable shortcut to get you right to its site. Now, once you've found Semrush in your search results, you'll want to either log in or, if you haven't already done so, sign up. Typically, you'll find the login option at the top right corner of the Semrush homepage. If you're signing up new, ensure you follow their prompts to get into your account. After logging in, focus your attention back to the top right corner, where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you're looking to select Subscription Info. This section is crucial because it holds all the details regarding your current subscription plan with Semrush. Within the Subscription Info page, search for a visible option that states Cancel Subscription. If you're using a free account, this option might not be immediately visible. Don't worry if that's the case. Semrush has a way around it. Simply look for a Contact Us link, which will allow you to get in touch with Semrush's support team. They will be able to assist you with the cancellation process. It's always helpful to reach out directly if you're unable to proceed with the cancellation yourself, as they can provide further assistance and ensure that your account is closed correctly. Throughout this procedure, make sure to review any emails or confirmations that Semrush sends your way to ensure your trial or subscription has been truly canceled. And there you have it. Canceling your Semrush free trial can be done in just a few minutes. Remember, if you face any issues or have specific questions regarding your account, it's always best to reach out directly to Semrush's support team for more personalized guidance. They're there to help, and clearing up any doubts directly is always a smart move. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your cancellation process a bit easier. Until next time.